We have competitors from all over the world wanting an opportunity to become the #1 contenders for the Capital Wrestling Tag Team Championships, and Aussie Open, no exception.
Former WXW Tag Champs, current Progress Tag Team Champs. How impressed are we about to be? What a treat.
This is a tremendous opportunity for all 3 of these teams, and a different aspect and a different way that it could change all their careers to be the #1 contenders. And you know the current tag team champions, the Apostles of Chaos, are watching this matchup to see who will be the #1 contender and who they have to defend their titles against.
The fans clearly behind Aussie Open here.
We got a bit of international flavor. There's cans of Foster's, and you can smell the bloomin' onions all over the place.
Bloomin' onions, show some respect.
I love those bloomin', they're delicious.
That's a fair point. The only thing that's going to be blooming here in a minute is tag team action.
Coach Mikey revving up the crowd here. Coach Mikey getting this crowd amped up. But then again, this crowd will cheer for anything that's on a sign because they can't read, they don't know what's on it.
Well, they don't cheer for you.
And here we go, look at this.
Lucky 13 jaw jacket.
And this old lady with a cane here, that's a weapon. Have her thrown out. Have that old broad thrown out.
Thrown out, she's defending herself.
That's a weapon, we can't have fans getting involved.
Lucky
Where's
13.
security to throw that old
Will you?
Get that blue hair out of here. Now the crowd cheering for her grandma.
I hear that, it's pretty good, it's fun. Oh, we're having some fun tonight.
You don't cheer for your grandma?
Doug's going international.
She makes wonderful pasta. Oh, you weren't invited.
Wait, are you having dinners with my grandma?
Every Sunday.
You know what?
She's a lovely lady.
Even in jest. She can't be that lovely, she's hanging out with you. I gotta call my mom, see what's up with this.
Oh, she's busy. She's got a dentist appointment. And we are underway here as Kyle Fletcher will lead this off here. Ducklings and Aussie Open.
And immediately the Hot BOIZ International taking some umbrage here.
Coach Mikey saying await their turn.
And immediately, Kyle Fletcher in a little bit of a predicament so far. But let's see him move out of the way.
Not give it up.
And look at the quickness.
That trio of Rob Killjoy, Lance Lude, and Coach Mikey.
And Kyle Fletcher smartly getting that shoulder up and quickly countering.
As I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, the trio here, out here, back in the Capitol, trying to win this opportunity for the #1 contendership. The tag team division growing every single day here in the Capitol.
Lance Lude and
Rob Killjoy.
They would love to get these championships, mostly so they can pawn the belts and buy more chalk, but aside from that, the prestige that comes with it. Little speed.
Roll up 1, 2 count only.
And this has to be frustrating for Hot BOIZ International because right now they're
Tag
not
was
in
made.
this match. They could lose this and never enter into it, but
Double team setting him up, putting him down.
And Aussie Open, the former
Mark Davison,
the former WXW Tag Champs and current Progress Champions, showing they mean business here.
tag team champions wherever they go, looking to add Capital Wrestling Tag Team Champion. And remember, any team can tag in.
Eric Martin and Lucky 13.
Working over Mark Davis. But look at the athleticism and power of Davis. And the advantage seemingly in the early going, clearly in Aussie Open's favor. Has him up. Drives him down. Senton.
But quickly, the pinfall broken up there.
Lucky 13 wisely.
And all of a sudden, it's the Ugly Ducklings who are not in this match. Again, that's the danger of this match. You could end up being pinned and not involved in the outcome of this match. You got to try to sneak the pins when you can.
Jumping up and over.
Ducking that clothesline. Setting him up. Oh no. Maybe
Has
now
Lucky 13 up.
Oh, wow.
Suplex for days.
Going for it. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. Only a 2 count here. So close to being the #1 contenders.
East Rutherford isn't the only suplex city this weekend.
I already got rid of Juba and Smiley as tag champs. Then I would hate to have to deal with the Ugly Ducklings. Imagine me having to send them to do press junkets? This is ridiculous.
We can have them on a paddle boat. Oh, tandem offense. Standing moonsault cover.
Going for the cover.
1, 2, this could be it.
And a quick kick out from Lucky 13.
Oh, driving the knee into the back.
And look at those knees. And the trick with these type of matches is you have less space to work with.
Lucky 13.
Instead of just having 2 corners you can work with, you have only 1 corner really, because you need to stay away from the opposition, because you don't want to get tagged out of this match.
Lucky 13, a renegade in his own right.
And look at that.
Eric Martin.
Saw the momentum of that run to the ropes. Just adds pressure.
Showboating, just to disrespect the crowd here. Eric Martin, a physically gifted athlete, for his size especially, towering over.
Put him down.
Oh, putting him down indeed.
Driving down to the mat.
Eric Martin.
Cover. 2
So
count
close.
only. So much going on here in this matchup. And a tag made.
And smartly again, keep it. That's why in this match especially, it's important to keep your opponents in that corner to cut off that ring. You have so much space to work with. The last thing you want to do is get tagged out by the other team.
Going up. Flip.
Oh, that knee by Lucky 13.
Has him up. Oh! Suplex into the turnbuckle. Get him up.
Ouch. Oh.
A senton there. Cover. 1, 2.
And broken up here. Lucky 13 now grabbing that ankle here.
Just out of reach, tag team partner can't do it. Kicks him.
Can they stop the tag? And smartly, Eric Martin.
Shoving him back in. Tag is made. Quack City. Quack City.
That duck can fly.
Well, yeah, he's a duck.
Yeah, he's not a real duck, you idiot.
Oh.
Those fists.
Irish whip. Eric Martin.
The old duck you. Forearm into a pin.
Slingshot suplex.
That knee.
Cover 1, 2.
But smartly broken up by Lucky 13.
Trying to shove Lucky 13 out. But
And there
Lucky
he goes.
13 gets it.
Ooh, but that knee from Eric Martin.
But the tag is made smartly by Mark Davis.
And again, that's the danger. Those 2 are fresh now. And Davis, the larger of the 2, using that size, just slamming into Eric Martin. And then Lucky 13. And the hot boy's not feeling so hot, but those kicks neutralize Davis for a moment. But the tag
was
from
made.
Fletcher, they might not
Hot
be
boys
aware
didn't
of
see
it.
it. Flying cross body. But they got to go for the cover here.
And Eric Martin and Lucky 13 smartly going outside for a breather. And this is where normally having Bobby Orlando would be here, but he's on a scouting trip / yacht
Wait a minute.
party.
They were looking to fly. But Hot Boys taking him out. Eric Martin at Lucky 13 wisely, but the Ducklings open over. And they all fall down. Carnage ringside here.
And now Coach Mikey and Coach Mikey
and Hollister.
It's like staring into a mirror.
This is about to get interesting here. He's giving up about 260 pounds in the ring.
And Hollister, Coach Mikey.
Turn the hat back.
And maybe not a great decision from Hollister. I mean, he's trying to make a name for himself as one of the newer Hot Boys here. But Coach Mikey.
Mikey Mania.
And now somehow in the midst of all this carnage in the ring are Eric Martin and Kyle Fletcher. Oh, and those chops from Eric Martin.
Takes one, baby.
Trying to show him, forget the high flying stuff. Nothing beats a chop.
But here's Davis. Davis in. Ooh, this could be it. Has him up. That's got to be it. Cover him.
Go for it.
Here it is. Cover 1, 2.
And
broken up at the last second. And this match continues as the Ugly Ducklings just getting there in time. But Eric Martin with the kick. And another one. Lucky 13 going to the top. He's the legal man. Still the legal man. Cover. 1, 2.
And unbelievably, Kyle Fletcher kicks out.
And Hot Boys International not pleased with Nick Shin right now.
The celebration party will have to wait here. Ooh, look at that kick. And another one from Kyle Fletcher. But again, tagged out here.
No longer is he the legal man.
I don't know if the Hot Boys noticed it, but they know now. Out goes Eric Martin.
And off the apron, Lucky 13 down to the mat. And the Duck's gonna fly. Into the turnbuckle.
Buckle bomb into the second rope here. And now Lucky 13.
Tied him up in the tree of woe.
With him and Kyle Fletcher.
Calling for a catapult.
Davis trying to help out his partner. Ends up in a bad position as well. And the Ugly Ducklings setting up for it. Is it going to be the catapult?